I will kill you if that's life. I'll kill you.
Just one line. Just one sentence. It started. We are live.
Okay.
Awesome. Yay, we are live finally.
Yay. Yes. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna quickly
Just share it on your yeah.
it's the same link, right? Yeah.
I guess I have no idea. I'm just so
As
technologically
far as
challenged.
what we were chatting before this, I just hope no one's seen
All
or
this,
heard.
everything is fiction. None of it
Okay,
is
yes.
for real. So,
Yes. Clearly,
uh,
clearly, yes.
yeah. If people are sending us messages, we don't care because we are having our own party here.
Correct.
So you are
Correct.
convincing us to watch You today, your favorite
Correct.
series.
Yes, yes.
I think
The
everyone who
series,
knows you knows that you love.
yeah, that I have a problem. I have a problem basically. I love serial killers. I will confess that. And yeah, because I'm like, if you are going to be toxic, be so toxic that it turns out to be nice. Because you is basically Kabir Singh on drugs. You know, like तूने प्रीति को छुआ, मैंने प्रीति को जिसने छुआ उसको भी मारा और प्रीति को भी मारा. So it's like everyone is happy at the end of the day or whatever you want to call it. It's like to love is to die. Like
Yeah.
it takes that series takes it to another level. And I think the best part about Joe, who's basically the protagonist slash hero slash villain of the series, is the fact that if you're going to talk to Joe, there's never going to be like or bata, what else? Because he's talked to you so much that he knows और बता मैं वो क्या तेरे को 10 questions पूछेगा but you're only like how do you know about this show? So that's one thing which I really
So
like about.
basically, you are saying he's a researcher, not a stalker.
Correct. Researcher to another level कि मतलब जो तुमको तुम्हारा like you know आईना दिखाएगा कि babe it's not this what you like, this is what you actually like and he'll make plans like even if you're saying that मैं जा रही हूँ लोनावला, he'll be like तू रुक मैं उधर आ जाऊंगा and I'll be like oops wow plan बन गया because you know I'm done with going out with like guys where I'm like hey let's meet for dinner, this guy's like bitch I'll bring dinner to you.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
so
convinced. I'm sorry, but like 5 minutes into this set, I'm like, यही तो चाहिए मुझे. Like I am always the
yeah.
person who's planning shit, and it's really annoying.
Exactly, that's my point. And like this guy's like he's not planning like days and months. He's मतलब वो strategy बना रहा है. Strategy for like future plans where he's like कि अच्छा best friend clingy हो रही है, best friend is coming in between us, उड़ाते हैं इसको. Obviously, killing is not a good thing, guys, and I know all about it. But like, he's like, I'll get rid of everyone, not just your ex, but your clingy girlfriend who's warning you about me or whatever. And like, and even your therapist. Like, the best part is he figures everything out on his own. Like, as I said, you don't have to talk to him or whatever. Like, he'll tell you everything indirectly or directly and figure things out for yourself. So that's good. And then in the second season, he basically meets someone who's just like him. So okay, just to give you a context, everyone, spoiler alert, whatever. So like basically falls in love with a girl who needs attention and lots of love. And
Yeah.
anyways.
So in the first season,
And then
basically, he's in love with Preeti, right?
yeah, someone like Preeti where she's like, नहीं मैं तो अच्छी हूँ types, but then indirectly Preeti is like अरे मुझे attention or validation दे दो types. So the Preeti is basically Becca or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
And like she's all like I'm independent and I love me and all, but obviously validation
Preeti
दे रहा है.
is very far from independent. Preeti basically अगर
वही
कबीर सिंह
सेम ये लड़की भी सेम है, उसको लगता है कि वो इंडिपेंडेंट वो पापा के पैसे ले रही, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, लाइक द गर्ल्स इन इंडिया हुआ लाइक कि मैं तो इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ बट वैक्स के पैसे अभी भी मम्मी से ले रही, वैसी सस्ती प्रीति वैसे वाली, बेसिकली ऑल प्रीति
मैं अभी भी ले रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे अपने पैसे बचाने हैं. आई एम जस्ट लाइक
एग्जैक्टली, मतलब कोई प्रीति इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है. सो टू ऑल द प्रीतिस आउट देयर हु गिव मी शिट लाइक आई एम इंडिपेंडेंट, नहीं, तुम जब तक तुम्हारे वैक्स के पैसे ले रहे हो माँ बाप से तुम इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं हो, समझ इतनी बात.
I love this new
and to guys
definition
out
of
there,
independence by women.
waxing is really expensive. So if she's shaving for you,
You're not the guy for her. I
yeah,
think
basically,
this should
yes.
be a t-shirt quote. Buy wax,
I
then
know,
call
right?
yourself independent. Waxing
Exactly,
पहले
exactly.
independence बाद में.
True that.
Yeah.
So yeah, sorry, I just got a little
So
diverted, but
we went to. How long has it been
yeah,
since you waxed, Unnati?
to be honest, I had a date last month, so I did go for a wax, and
Oh.
I'm not a shaver sort of. I'm
Yeah,
like team
even me
waxing,
neither. I
or
need that
you know,
smoothness.
mulayam twacha or whatever you want to call
Yeah,
it. Shit,
yeah.
this is going to be on YouTube Live forever, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and I need to know how to censor things out because yeah.
So when your children grow up and join YouTube, this is what they will know. That
I'm not having kids. I'm not having kids. So in case someday I have kids, I'm just gonna make my kid watch this thing if you happen because of accidents. So
you can
yeah.
tell your kid, take your own waxing money. Okay, stop asking mama for it.
Correct. Sasti preeti mat bano life
Yeah,
mein.
yeah.
But anyways, going back to Joe, what I was trying to say is like, so in season 1, he basically falls for a girl, and he does pura. वो rev check करता है, QC quality check करता है, सब करता है. Like everything a boss wants you to do, this guy is doing it for the girl who he really likes. And like there's obviously like there's this whole thing of he's a nice guy. Like every guy is like he's a nice guy, but his intentions are nice, but whatever he ends up doing some things. But obviously like shit goes down the drain where first he starts killing his ex, okay, this girl's ex, because he keeps coming in between. Then he kills this girl's like his love of his life's best friend. Because the best friend को शक होता है कि ये creepy है. You know, like how all our best friends tell us like Sin he's not the one, and we are like, no,
Are you
but he
really
likes
trying to
me.
convince us to watch this or like to get murdered? I'm
Listen,
not
it's
sure.
really nice. I'm sorry, but like this guy is really nice. If you देखो वैसे भी लड़के सब टॉक्सिक है, तो अगर टॉक्सिक होना है तो इतने अच्छे बनो कि निकालो एक्स को अपने लाइफ से. Like I'm not saying kill and all of it, but like this guy is he's putting homework. Where is that? You know, where is the homework? Where is the taking that step or whatever you want to call it, or like going, doing things for the person you love. Like this guy is doing everything.
बाकी लोग तो फूल लाते हैं.
क्या कुछ भी टेक्स्ट भी नहीं करते. मैसेज और बता what else. This guy's like मैं बताता हूँ क्या बात करेंगे next. This guy's all about I know you like poetry, and this girl's like hey how do you know you like I like poetry. He's like अरे मुझे पता है but इसने गूगल सर्च कर लिया है तुम्हारे बारे में, तुम समझ रहे हो. Like he wants the best out of you. वो अलग बात है कि तुमको फिर वो अगर नहीं चाहिए तो प्रॉब्लम है. This is like whatever. Like he kills his like this girl's best friend, and then eventually he kills the girl because the girl figures out that oh my god, इसने मुझे पाने के लिए मेरे एक्स को भी मारा, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड को भी मारा है. And yeah, that's what happens. But okay, so why I really love this show is because the guy Joe, like he's really hot. Like he's creepy, but he's really hot. And the stalking part of it, and the fact that if someone really loves you, they will do anything for you. You know what I mean? I'm not saying that again.
So you are a SRK fan then?
I am a I wouldn't say I'm an SRK fan. I would just say I'm a Joe fan. I don't want to like
मतलब Joe के
Hollywood को mix नहीं करना.
Yeah.
But I am a Joe fan. Like I will confess that I like Joe and like his strategies in life. So, the killing part, obviously, I don't like.
So let's say
I just want to be clear.
For example, if Joe comes to you and he's like उन्नति मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ और ये करता हूँ वो करता हूँ, ठीक है? Who are the top 3 people you think in your life Joe will end up killing? Okay. See, I'm not saying that you will propose those murders, but he will kill them because they are like the people you give most attention, or the people who will take too much of your time, and he will want the time, all of it.
I just want to say the only people who come in between him are my parents. Best friends and all तो ठीक है मैं संभाल लूँगी. See, we also need to know that I'm not a Preeti, okay? I'm not like that Beck who's like, oh my god types. I feel Joe won't need to kill anyone. I feel I will only end up killing Joe if things go bad.
Will end up killing Joe.
Yeah, because like I know, right? Like what a stalker he's gonna be. So
no, you are at that stage where you don't know. He's just the perfect guy.
I don't know. Then who's he gonna kill? Then I would nominate my best friend Richa Doctor if she's seeing this YouTube stream.
Sorry, Richa, डॉक्टर की जरूरत है. Already डॉक्टर के डेथ्स का डेटा नहीं मिल रहा और तू अलग से बॉयफ्रेंड बना के.
फिर अगर मैं हिंज पे किसी के साथ एक्टिवली बात कर रही हूँ, जो मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ आजकल,
Right.
बट हाँ जो भी लास्ट बंदा होगा उसके साथ
हाँ.
एंड I think my parents, because like they will see Beck ke parents do not care, like so
Yeah,
like
this
this
show is
girl,
really
like
convincing me. I'm very convinced now. I also want to get rid of my best friend. So, जो तुम जहाँ भी हो मैं
yeah.
आ रही हूँ.
And the best part is, and this is one thing I don't like about the show is कि भाई इसमें लोग मर रहे हैं और उसके माँ बाप को चिंता ही नहीं है. So like obviously जब बेक का ex boyfriend मरता है, his parents, like I really want to see what happens to this guy's parents, because this guy was like really rich and well-to-do startup company है. फिर इसकी जो best friend है पीच करके, उसका नाम पीच था.
उसका नाम ही
ठीक है,
पीच
she
है.
has a पीच, हाँ पीच था, ठीक है.
ये क्या नाम? Just parents ने नाम
अच्छा,
डालने में भी कोई effort
sweet.
नहीं लिया. They're just like
स्वीट काफी. और बट वो थी बहुत डेढ़ शानी थी, बहुत डेढ़ शानी, लाइक हाउ वी ऑल आर, लाइक मुझे नहीं लगता ये अच्छा है तेरे लिए, एंड देन
हाँ
लाइक
हाँ
शट
yeah
अप
yeah I love
कुत्ती, ये
yeah.
तो बेस्ट है मेरे लिए टाइप से, तू तो जल रही है और कुछ नहीं वैसे. बट ये बंदी शी वाज वेरी स्मार्ट. भाई जो तो उसको पत्थर मार के उसको मतलब वो भागने गई, ठीक है, जो भाग रही है, फिर जो आता है उसको पत्थर लेके मार देता है और वो मर जाती है, मतलब अच्छे से मारता है, ठीक है, नॉट लाइक
He
ऐसे मार
really
दिया टाइप.
killed her, like how you break a peach from a tree ना. पत्थर मारा peach गिर गया.
Yeah, oh shit, that is so true. उसको ऐसे हेड से मारता है और वो ऐसे मर जाती है टाइप्स. And I really want to know कि उसको क्या होता है, because like imagine एक लौती बेटी जिसके पास इतना पैसा है ना. I really want to know कि क्या होता है, because India में you can't just kill a peach like that, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like पंखुड़ी
right.
और जो भी है दिल्ली की होगी बंदी, but
Arnab
you know
will
what I
say,
mean? Like I said,
I want
exactly
justice,
केस
justice
होगा
for
जो भी
peach.
होगा. Exactly, but like they are very, very conveniently. Shit, I forgot. What did they say? Like she just dies because वो खुद ही भागते भागते गिर जाती है, whatever. But yeah, they don't show the consequences of it. That's the only loophole of the story, to be honest. But yeah,
Not
like
that the
and the
character
best
is
part,
flawed.
guys, the best part about this is, if I was with Joe right now, I would be quarantining in a glass house in the basement. तो मुझे तो कोविड नहीं होता, मुझे सिर्फ प्यार मिलता, ठीक है. So that was the good part about him. He already visualized
But
what
tell
COVID
me
will
one
be
thing,
like.
does he quarantine people during Corona or all round the year?
Just otherwise, if you like him and he likes you, and then you're like, oh, I'm not sure, he'll be like, tu chal mere saath. Or if you figure out that he's killed people for you, then he'll be like, chal mere basement, my types. But he's nice. Okay, he's nice. Like he gets her food and everything. So
he gets momos in the glass house.
not momos. This would be in Delhi.
What
Delhi
is-
में होता तो मैं भाई momos नहीं खाई क्या भाई. But yeah, no. Or like vada pav if the girl's quarantined in Mumbai. But yeah, like he's like, I'm taking care of you. So like, why do you want to get out of the quarantine, out of the basement? And that's where it gets really fucked up, because this guy also is like friends with like this neighbor Chotu Mata, 11-12 साल का लड़का. And this 11-12 साल का लड़का sees कि Beck is trying to run away from the basement, and that girl is like, please open the door because like this psycho killer is out here to kill me. And the boy is just like, bitch, please, ये बंदे ने मुझे हमेशा books दिए हैं, and this guy's taking care of me or whatever. So basically, a 12-year-old helps Joe to basically kill the love of his life in season 1, which is Beck. And yeah, also, when I say that stalking is important, ये देखो एक होता है कि तुमको शक होता है किसी पे, ठीक है, कि are you double dating me?
Right.
This, and then you're like, hey, shut up, are you crazy? No, I love you. This guy's like, मैं जाके figure out करके आऊंगा, तुम मुझे बताओ ना बताओ. And that was like really shocking, and like one of the twists. Please, okay, guys, if you have not watched you, please don't watch this YouTube stream. Okay, like just tell me in advance.
I think now, like...
spoiler alert क्यों नहीं डाला? So yeah, I hate them for that. So what happens is like basically this girl goes to a therapist and she cheats with the therapist only. Okay, and जो को पहले शक था, but उसने यकीन में डालने के लिए वो खुद वो therapist के पास जाता है. And he's trying to figure out ki, and he's trying to say that I like this girl, like my girlfriend, but like she's cheating on the therapist, and the therapist like, nahi aise nahi hoga, tu zyada soch raha hai, and all of it. And then to double confirm, when the therapist goes out, this guy's like goes to the therapist's laptop, and then he figures out, oh, like his photos and all of chats and everything is there. And then obviously, so he kills Beck, and then he puts all the blame on the therapist, and then the therapist is in the jail. And then in the season 2, woohoo! सीजन 2 में आती है उसकी पहली वाली गर्ल,
like this is another
जिंदा गाड़ देता है.
another level of vigil. Tell me one thing, Like
Hmm.
you've stalked online. Let's be honest. We've all stalked online. Yeah. What is the
Obviously.
weirdest fact that you found out about somebody? It need not necessarily be a partner. By through stalking, or like even if
I don't
you've
know if
not
it's
stalked, like even if someone like a
so.
friend or someone has stalked for you
I I
out
will
of
I will tell
obviously
you
out of
what I'll
concern.
nay. So I'll tell you what the weird. I don't know if it's weird or no, but like I've been on matrimonial sites finding the love of my life. But what?
Sorry. Yes, arranged love that exists, of course.
Finding the ideal bank account for
Uh,
my life. Let's put
you
it
find
that
love in
way.
a hopeless place.
Yeah, I'm not sure about that, but yeah. Anyway, so like I was talking, so obviously I like stalking that guy, and what's the weirdest thing I found is like वो बंदे को जब अगर आप देखोगे, so he had like lots of hair, okay,
Huh.
in his pictures on
Huh.
Shaadi.com and all. But then I went through his tagged photos. That's what Joe does as well. Like you Google him out, you look at LinkedIn, you look at everything. And then when I look at tagged photos, बंदा तो पूरा टकला निकला, मतलब पूरा का पूरा टकला. So then I realized I was like, shit, like what matters is also not just like the photos, but like also the tagged photos and everything. So that was
So
very
that way,
weird.
Joe has
That's,
given you a life lesson.
yeah, I mean, obviously, like it's not about just talking on Facebook or Instagram. It's also about looking at the tagged photos. It's also about looking on LinkedIn and everything. Recently, I was proud of my mother. Like I told her that I like someone, and my mom LinkedIn stalked that guy, and I was like, mom, thanks. That's that. I really appreciate it. She's like, obviously, double check करना पड़ेगा अगर वो actually वो जो काम कर रहा है वो कर रहा है कि नहीं. And I'm like,
But I've realized this that mothers are way better stalkers than us.
oh yeah.
Like my
I
mom is
feel
just another level right now. Like on
definitely.
Facebook, she knows every
Definitely.
single guy in this city. She's like, इस age range में जितने लड़के हैं हमारी सिटी में सबका वो जानती है. अरे my friend's mom, she knows लड़कों के
Hmm.
गाड़ी का नंबर.
That's
Who knows
creepy.
this? Are you traffic cop? Like it is just another level
You
moms have
can't
gone
even
on.
say कि Uber is dropping me. He'll be like, नहीं मुझे पता है वो राकेश वो उधर के गली वाला उसने drop किया
Yeah,
है तुम्हें.
yeah,
So that's creepy.
yeah. They are just. I love how well researched moms are. And for
What's the
me,
most
I
weirdest
remember.
stalking experience you've had? What's the
Yeah.
stalking experience you've
Yeah.
had? Tell
So
me, tell me.
I started seeing somebody, and
Mm-hmm.
it
Are you
was
seeing him right now?
no.
Okay.
It's been ages, but
Okay.
this was long back. Okay, and I was like deeply in love and all that, and he so this was not there's nothing bad actually, but my best friend, she managed to pull out his class 10 ka mark sheet. So apparently he had topped in his state or something. So and this was actually a good thing, like it's not a negative thing, but like she managed
Okay.
to like pull that out and like have his full mark sheet and all that. Then I said it very rightly, oh, I found out that you were a state. Like, how did you find out? No, I don't talk about it. I was like, why kitna guni ladka hai? I will never let him go. But obviously I fucked up. But
Hmm.
yeah, I found a nice thing.
Nice.
I normally I'm able to figure out like who is with who by just like basic stalking. That I think everybody can do
Ha.
nowadays.
Which is why I've decided when I
Like two of my
officially get
friends
into a
are dating right now,
relationship,
but they are not telling
है
anyone.
ना?
So
Yeah. Like
yeah,
they'll just put like random, like my best friend or like some
yeah,
random shitty Taylor Swift song, and I'm like, कुत्ती पता चल रहा है लोगों को. Which is why pro tip, guys, pro tip, like put pictures, but like don't tag that person who you're dating. Because then the people are like, who is this person? Who is this person? And like they can't look at the tagged person and then look at it. So
yeah. Also,
gotta do that.
what is happening is that there are only like 10 guys who are available on the market right now. You know my joke, na? There are only 4 guys, which is the truth.
True.
So now we know कि
That's true.
which guy has met which all girls. So we know what all is like already rejected. So उस level पे
And
अभी research
recent
चल रहा है.
and recently I've realized like especially if you go on Hinge and all and you've talked to the guy, then obviously the next step is like to find him on Facebook or Instagram. And then you realize that one of your random mutual friends is always friends with this person. And then you talk to your mutual
That's
friend like, hey,
you.
how
That's
do you know
only you,
this guy?
Unnati, because you have 15 best friends, 150 close friends.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. It helps. It helps because like recently to my close friend, I was like, "Hey, how do you know this guy?" And she said, "पता नहीं add किया होगा." Then I asked that guy. I was like, "Hey, how do you know my friend?" तब पता नहीं ऐड किया होगा. But then I made sure that I told my friend to like send me screenshots like about his profile, what kind of posts and all he sends. Because honestly, guys, again, because of the matrimony thing, what I always do is as soon as they come to know the guy's girl. No, I'm straight as fuck. As soon as I come to know the guy's name and surname, the first thing I do, I go on Facebook, not to see his pictures and anything, but to see कि भाई बंदा क्या share कर रहा है क्या नहीं.
Yeah.
So
That's
like
very
recently, I
important.
came across a guy जो मतलब 2019 तक कुछ नहीं था, but then I saw like 2018 or whatever. I don't know when was the last election. When was the last election?
What?
When was the last election when Modi got elected? 2019, 2020. No.
14 is the first election, and I think 18.
2018, yeah, 2018. Sorry, guys. We are educated, okay? हाँ, whatever. But like I saw like during election, इसका पूरा pro BJP था. And I'm like, what the fuck? Like, and then I realized like maybe even if he's nice, he's working at XYZ company
Political
or whatever.
opinion,
I'm
like a difference in political opinion is a huge thing.
yeah, like he said, गाय हमारी माता है and all, and I'm like, please, पक्ष
ये
करो.
वाली सांस
But
नहीं
yeah.
चाहिए.
In short, Joe has taught us that stalking is great
Also,
if you do it स्वाद अनुसार.
Yeah.
स्वाद अनुसार करो,
Yeah.
guys. स्वाद अनुसार.
Also, this one of the guys I was seeing, okay, he was very like, oh, how can you be so open about these things and whatever. And then मैंने basic stalking की that what pages he has liked. Okay.
Oh yeah, Instagram had that option before where you could
of
see.
checking and
Yeah.
even on Facebook you can check now what all they have liked or like past music choices and what videos they have liked and all. And then I took some screenshot and I sent it. I was like, ab kya hua? Now who is open? Fucking Oreo my ass.
Wow, I need to do that. I need to.
That is a pro
this
tip.
for my
I'm
guy.
just giving it for free क्योंकि obviously कोई मुझे पैसा नहीं दे रहा आजकल.
I have I mean if you're not working with OML you're not getting any shit, okay, just putting it out there. Follow your passion, guys, follow your passion.
In this economy I don't think people have any option. Like I was in an open mic recently and this guy is like, I just lost my job today so I came for an open mic. I was like, wow, you are never going to be more unemployed than this.
Oh god.
It's difficult to feel sad for such people.
Very, very difficult.
Yeah, but let's go back to Joe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we were in second season, right?
Yeah. So second season, what happens is I think the best season is actually the whole show is amazing. But like, so I'll just give you a gist of the second season.
Yeah.
Second season में पहले आती है जो लड़की, the first girl who he dated, जिसको उसने जिंदा गाड़ दिया, ठीक है, because वो बहुत possessive हो गया and all of it. But anyways, like she manages to run out of it and everything, and then Joe is basically dating a girl named Love. जी हाँ भाई और बहनों, a girl named Love, जिसके भाई का नाम है 40, FORTY, 40. Inspired by this tennis or whatever they play, so it's like Love and 40, you know what I mean. Anyway, so this girl who's like comes back from whatever her जिंदा आ जाती है, like very filmy scene, and she's telling him कि भाई साहब ये तुम जिसको डेट कर रही हो वो तो पूरा साइको है, तुम समझ लो, ये वो he's tried to kill me and all. This girl who he meets, like, so basically it turns out that Joe basically ended up liking a girl who's just like Joe. So this girl, Love, not only kills the ex of Joe, the first girl who he dated, but he also kills the girl who liked Joe and Joe hooked up with while they were on a break. And then Joe is like, oh my god, मेरे साथ क्या ही हो गया?
My brain has walked out.
Yeah, it's great. It's great. I was pissed. I was really pissed. I was like, how dare? Like, अभी तो सिर्फ जो ही मार रहा था, सब मार रहे एक दूसरे को. And cut to like they show towards the end of like the last episode where this Love is pregnant, and then Joe is like, मैं तो अभी भी stalking करूँगा. And then they show cut to like he's trying to stalk some other person. So we are yet to see who's that person and what happens in season 3. But ये भी जो बंदी है जो फील्डिंग करता है, ये बंदा जो फील्डिंग करता है, okay. So in the starting of the season, in season 2, we all think that Joe has changed, you know. ठीक है, उसने किसी को मार दिया जिससे वो प्यार करता था and all of it, प्यार में पश्चाताप and all of it. Turns out that ये बंदे ने फील्डिंग लगाया था कि वो उसी जगह पे काम करेगा जहाँ पे उसको ये जो लड़की पसंद आई है वो कैसे बात करेगा. And the place where he was staying, उसे दूरबीन लगाया था, like proper binoculars, जिससे वो देख पाएगा कि भाई उसके balcony से क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं and everything. So this guy puts in efforts. In short, this guy puts in efforts. Girls don't settle for shit, but also don't settle for guys who are ready to kill people. Just putting it out there.
Shetty is on
Don't go to
chat. He's
Tihar
saying
jail.
OML OP.
Sorry, what?
Shetty is on chat.
Okay.
And he just said OML OP.
Oh my God.
Akash Mehta.
Shetty,
Soon
please.
live OP.
Shetty, please.
But
No words.
you were telling us about how we should all date Joe. So tell me one thing: if this movie, if this series were to be made in India, okay. So first, you pick a OTT platform where you would like to put it. मेरा तो मन है ऑल्ट बालाजी बोलने का बड़ा थी
मैं तो बोलने वाली थी कि मजा आएगा ऑल्ट बालाजी में बिकॉज़ अच्छे सेक्स सीन्स और वो सब भी आ जाएंगे सस्ते वाले बट लाइक जो इज नॉट दोस काइंड्स आई वुड से कि Amazon Prime पे डालना पड़ेगा लाइक
Amazon Prime
आई डोंट लाइक समथिंग लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू से नहीं यार मैं Netflix पे ही डालूंगी लाइक बट आई विल मेक श्योर दैट इंडियन एक्टर्स और वो सब आ जाए
एंड आई वुड पुट
कबीर सिंह ओनली
नाउ गिव मी द कास्ट
हां So I'll tell you what, to be honest, I think Shahid Kapoor can play like a very fizza वाला पता है शाहिद कपूर कैसा था?
या भोला भाला मासूम.
भोला भाला and I feel he can also play like Haider वाला Shahid.
Yeah.
So you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I think he'll be like the perfect Joe. And वैसे भी कबीर सिंह तो बन ही चुका है. He's already hit girls and all of it. So for him it will be very easy अपनी Beck को quarantine.
So now this is Shahid's genre. Basically Shahid is the opposite of Ayushmann Khurrana.
Correct. Very true. So yeah, and लड़की में तो आलिया भट्ट can play मासूम वाली बैक की हाय whatever types. And second में जो villain वाली लड़की है उसके लिए honestly you tell me who should be the one who ends up killing Joe's first ex and fling. I can't think of any Indian actress who would be like very dark that is. Anushka? I don't know.
Anushka, obviously, because she's done that NH7, I think, yeah. But I was thinking somebody like Radhika Apte. Because you chose Netflix.
I've had enough. No. Sorry, नहीं. उससे अच्छा तुम हम लोग दोनों में से कोई और ही प्ले कर लेगा नहीं. राधिका आप्टे नहीं. Sorry.
Then what about Rasika Duggal? Because I think she's a great actress.
Yes.
She's
she
a great
can play
actress.
love.
Like she can do anything.
Yes. She can play like the oh my god मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया and then yeah
I can totally and when you said this I could imagine ये. In fact I was going to say that instead of Alia if we take Shobita Dhulipaliya.
You know what? Shobita Dhulipaliya can play love. I want like a very innocent dumb bitch.
So then this girl Batata Vada, what is her
Batata Vada, yeah, I know Batata
Vada. Who's in four more shots. She's such a great actress.
Oh, that's good.
Shweta Tripathi.
Great actress. Yeah, done. Yeah. She can play that. Shahid Kapoor can play international Kabir Singh on drugs and
or even somebody like Jim Sarab or Neil Bhupalam, all these kind of people.
Oh, how could I forget Jim Sarab? Oh my god, I want Jim Sarab. I think I would also want Jim Sarab.
Bhaiyo aur behno.
He's too hot.
Send this video. I will DM Jim Sarab this stream and I'll be like, listen, we have a let's find a producer.
You know that scene from Made in Heaven where he just like drags Shobita towards him? Amazing. So yeah.
So now we know how
basically
she spends all her time.
But yeah, Jim Sarab and Shobita as the love. I would say Shobita can be the love, basically playing the villain and the cute girl. And Batata Vada can be the Beck, who's like very innocent or mar jayegi quarantine glass basement mein. So yeah. And the annoying bachcha can be ये अपना है ना ईशान अवस्थी कौन था इसमें तारे जमीन पे जो था बंदा. I know he's grown up. Yeah, but like he could have played that. That would have been fun. So yes.
We'll do a kill, marry, hookup.
Yes.
Okay, but you have to answer one as Joe. Like you're answering on behalf of Joe.
Okay.
So Mithila Palkar.
Kill.
No, I'll give you all three options. You already killed one. Oh my God. So Navika Kumar.
Okay.
You should think. That's why you should think before you say something. And who else do I put? Because I don't want to make. I was gonna say somebody else, but now I want to make life a little difficult for you. And Komolika. You know
Wait,
who
sorry.
plays Komolika?
Urvashi Dholakia? Of course I know her.
No, not Urvashi. The new Komolika. This one. Should I really
Mm-mm.
like her?
OG
Hina
Kamoleka
Khan.
fan.
Hina
OG.
Khan. Do you know Hina Khan? She's the new Komolika.
I was gonna double check with you who is Navika Kumar. Like, can you just give me a update on who's Navika?
Oh, she's the one who kept saying that हमारे पास WhatsApp chat है. हमने WhatsApp chat release किया है.
Oh shit! Oh yeah,
See,
the times of now.
trust me, my general knowledge is also meme based. Like meme में है तो इंसान है वरना तो कोई है ही नहीं.
Oh, okay. So I'll tell you what. He will definitely kill Mithila यार. मतलब she won't stand a chance only because she वो कब खेलती रहेगी उसके बेसमेंट में ही उसका फायदा उठा के इसको मार देगा. ठीक.
कब Oh, you were expecting me to say Katrina and Karina or what the other two like?
No. But yeah, I feel so he'll kill this one Mithila Palkar because like she's very innocent and whatever. Like वो little things में वो
Like
चली जाएगी
Peach.
बेचारी ध्रुव
Yeah.
को. तो मतलब और भी है इसमें वो ध्रुव को भी मारेगा मिथिला को भी मारेगा. तुम समझ रहे हो जो है तो सबको.
So you've basically let's update filter copy कि तूने आज उनका business बंद कर दिया.
जी बिल्कुल.
हाँ.
Like filter copy is there. But yeah.
Yeah.
So that's going to happen. Navika ko I think he will marry and he'll torture her because she's tortured the whole nation to be
Yeah.
honest. And who's this third person? Who cup?
Even
जो
I've
भी third.
forgotten who the
तुम
third
किसी को भी
person
डालो.
is. Komolika
तुम
was
किसी को भी
anyways
डालो.
the third person is Urvashi. So
Yeah. He'll hook up with her because like she's also bad and also like he'll have fun and then he'll leave. But see, he's those kinds that if he loves you, he'll also torture you and kill you. So like with Navika, I think he'll torture her, and Navika will also give him a bad time by like cross questioning and answering him. Like, tell us what you have to say, Joe. Tell us about your past. Tell us all of it. So that's what's gonna happen.
So now we'll do one with guys. The same thing, kill, marry, hook up, but 3 men. Yeah, makes sense.
I just want to tell you at this point that Joe has managed to kill every guy who's come in between him.
So all
except there's just this except this one guy who managed to let him go. So there was this one guy जिसका उसने पूरा identity ले लिया था. So he shifted cities. Okay, so it's like going from Delhi to Mumbai. ठीक है, तो जब वो मुंबई गया था उसने एक बंदे का पूरा identity छीन लिया था. तो वो बंदे को उसने obviously quarantine में कर दिया था because you know अगर ये जाके लोगों को बोलेगा and all. And then this guy really like earned his trust and then he went to Philippines. He said मैं जा रहा हूँ मैं मोह माया छोड़ रहा हूँ. But all the other guys, whoever he's come across, it can be anyone from that 11-year-old father जिसको उसने मार दिया, Beck का ex जिसको उसने मार दिया, Love का भाई जिसको उसने मार दिया. So if you want to give me realistic options, I would say 2 kill and 1 save. Now you give me your options.
2 kill and 1 save.
2 kill and 1 save, yeah.
Okay. So Arnab, Trump,
Yeah.
and Baba Ramdev.
Trump and Arnab he'll kill. Baba Ramdev तो क्या ही मतलब.
Yeah, he's sweet.
रख लेगा वो.
Yeah, at least he tried to get us a vaccine, na? So it's fine.
Plus he keeps falling and all on his own. Have you seen those 2 vote
Yeah, the elephant.
Cycle wala he falls, elephant he falls. So like
Yeah.
you will make sure कि मतलब जीना तो जी but whatever types. So
Yeah. Cool. So what is your parting message to everyone who's watching?
I would just say that please look at the brighter side of Joe and I just want to say that अगर बंदा toxic है ही, इतना toxic हो, like he's so bad that he's good, and that's what Joe is all about. And you series basically tells you that if a guy likes you, he'll put in efforts, but just make sure that he doesn't. He's not obsessed with you that he ends up killing people.
Yeah.
तो तुम जरा थोड़ा स्वाद अनुसार चीजें देख लो in life. And I just want to say that in life, don't be like Beck. You know, you say that you don't want validation, bitch. I know. You're waiting for that validation and like from that guy. So you don't want that. Okay. Try to be like love. Be smart. If the guy's playing game A, you play game B. Always be ahead of your time, and you learn that from in the season two. And yeah, that's all I could say. And like just overall, if you see the series, it's very like it tells you that everyone has a bad part in them. Like everyone's got a bad bitchy side in
I
them,
love how you're
and this
making this murder story like philosophical suddenly.
yeah, but like I'm just saying that not everyone has the क्या बोलते हैं जिगर नहीं होता सब में to kill everyone, and
Hmm.
I'm not preaching that, guys. I'm not preaching you to go kill people who you don't like.
Hmm.
Probably push them or like pray to God that they trip, maybe
What is the
whatever.
worst you would do to
But
somebody who breaks your heart? The worst.
okay, I'm gonna be candid. Okay, I'm gonna be
Candid.
candid over here. So when it comes
Okay.
to breaking hearts, okay, I remember like in my school days, okay, when there was this one chick I really hated her because like she sort of not bullied me, but like she went and said shit about my parents to me, and like she sort of tried to tell me कि गरीब क्या ही कर लेगी तू life में. So the worst thing I've done to her was like, and that time गर्मी के टाइम पे हम आइस वाली बॉटल लेके जाते थे, मतलब बॉटल को फ्रिज में रखते थे तो
Right, right.
पूरा बर्फ बन जाता था.
हाँ.
तो मैंने उसको जाके एक दिन सीधा साट करके उसको ऐसे हाथ पे मार दिया था. So that's the worst thing I've done in my life.
You are such a
But in my
sweet
defense,
person, Unnati.
I mean,
That is actually
do I feel
kind.
bad? Do
You
I feel
shouldn't. It's
bad? Not
nothing.
really. Like to this date, I don't, because like she said shit about my parents and she basically said that I was गरीब. Like कुत्ती अब कौन है जो पैंडेमिक में चिल कर रहा है और पगार कमा रहा है? हाँ, मैं हूँ. ठीक है. Anyways, but what's the worst thing I have wished?
How are not more people falling in love with her? Oh God, it's too good.
But what's the worst thing I have wished for my
For any of your
for the
exes or
person?
whoever.
Um, to be honest, like, can I be honest? I'm not trying to like flex or anything, but like my ex, okay, who I really, really, really loved a lot. You know, when he told me the girl who is marrying, I was I was like, तूने खुद ही अपने इस पे कुल्हाड़ी मार दी है. So like now when I see that, obviously I stalk. Like when I used to stalk, now I don't
Right.
stalk
Yeah,
anymore.
we are all
She
stalking
stalked me.
enthusiasts. This has been established. It's fine.
Yeah, but like the validation is when your ex's wife stalks you. And both my exes have managed to get married and both their wives have stalked me. And I'm like, इससे ज़्यादा validation life में नहीं मिलेगा because one of the girls has actually like ended up liking my picture and then unliked it and then tried to block me. And I was like, bitch, I know who you are, but whatever. But like now when I see that pictures or whatever, I know you're not having fun. But ठीक है, मतलब तूने खुद ही life ये कर ली है. But I did tell him, like when I was really mad, I was like, good luck getting married to a maid, which I feel he did.
That's good. That's a good bond. I'm saving
I mean,
all
yeah,
this, like, not just for
yeah, I
YouTube,
mean,
like,
he
it's all
married a
in my
maid.
head forever. Like, these are the.
Yeah.
I'm usually very nice. I'm always like, oh, good for you. I'm so happy and blah, blah, blah. And in fact, there's
Oh, no,
somebody
no,
I
no.
like right now, and
Mm-mm.
they've started seeing someone
Oh,
else, and I'm just like, oh, I'm so happy for you and all. And I'm dying. Like, I'm just like, cool.
no.
I,
I
I,
feel it's
I
best to
would never
like
say
let it
someone.
out.
No,
It's
no, I
best to
wouldn't.
let it out. Like even like with a and like the first guy who's got married or whatever, उसकी बंदी तो TikTok बनाती थी. So me and my friends used to roast the hell out of her because we were like, क्या ही कर रही है? I just hope both my exes are not seeing this, or maybe you should, bitches. Uh, the second guy, like, I'm just like, when like someone says that, oh my god, I love you so much, Unnati, I'll never marry someone like XYZ,
Yeah,
and then
yeah,
they
yeah,
end up
yeah.
marrying someone exactly like XYZ, and I'm like, ठीक है, मतलब तू खुद ही बर्बाद कर रहा है life, तो मैं क्या ही करूँ types. So
Diksha has
yeah.
sent a comment. I
Oh,
think she
what else?
approves of all the confessions you're making on
I,
your life.
I just want to say that I am the Joe to Richa's life, and I just want to say whoever's going to be a boyfriend to Richa or the husband to be for Richa,
We'll have to
that
get like
person.
a order against you.
Yeah,
Like
like
मेरे
if
से
he
10,000
fucks around
ले
with
लो.
my best friend, I am going to really like I am a very protective best friend, so like I am those kinds like I'll be like किया क्या उसे करना क्या है तुझसे बता like not guard thingy types, but like I will if you ask me, I will go and like shout at the person or like scream and
Like
then
throw him
come
in a
back home
little
or whatever.
well or something. And
Sorry, what?
throw him in a well. कुएं में फेंक दो.
Yeah,
छोटा मोटा,
but it's just
ज्यादा
that वो
नहीं.
कुआं जल रहा है, पानी नहीं है or whatever. Like, if possible, why not? Why not? So I would do that. I would do that.
जलते
I
हुए
am
कुएं में
possessive that
डालोगी तो वो
ways.
जल जाएगा.
Yeah,
Um,
that's the plan.
and
So
one let's do one last question before we close this. This has been so much fun. I'm so
done.
excited, guys. We are going to do Emily in Paris on Sunday
Yes.
afternoon on Instagram. So
And it's not about serial killers, it's just about like
uh,
cute people and how it is in Paris.
cute and a
And I
little.
swear to God, I'm normal and yeah, I like that series
But
also. So
you agree you have a little bit of a bad boy syndrome.
sorry.
You have a little bit
I,
of a bad boy syndrome.
oh, little bit, a lot. Like I can't do someone who's like really a good boy because I'm like
कुछ
मैं हूँ
evil होना
कुत्ती यार
चाहिए.
मतलब बैलेंस चाहिए लाइफ में. So yeah,
Uh,
bad boy though you have to be, or like I don't know if it's like bad boy or whatever. But then again, like that's what people say, right? Like you should go for the good guys. But then are good guys really good guys, or you don't know that they're bad boys?
they're bad boys. Yeah,
You know what I
that's a
mean?
good one. Yeah. Another t-shirt quote. And now you have to plan. Tell me three things as Joe, the way Joe would
Okay,
do it. Okay, a proposal. Okay, a
okay,
honeymoon. Okay, and
okay,
a gift that Joe would get his girlfriend. A gift, a proposal, and a honeymoon.
okay. So when it comes to proposal, I know that Joe knows like if for the girl the friends matter a lot, Joe will make sure that he talks to all the girls' friends and will ask. It's cute to my to be husband, whoever is out there. Okay, just saying. Anyways, uh,
I love.
basically he'll talk to all the girls, like all the this lovers, like all the friends, figure it out exactly what she wants and ensure that she gets exactly the kind of proposal she always wanted, which includes the girls indirectly telling her कि मैंने क्या और करा ले क्योंकि वो तुझे ring देगा or whatever. So everything, so that's how he would do.
Oh,
Honeymoon,
sweet.
I think for Joe would be just quarantining, like it's about no one seeing her or whatever, like just having fun. So that would be in his basement, to be honest. If not, like where like no one else can be there, like what Twilight wala jahan pe Edward and this one goes and like
Can I ask a practical
basically no one.
question?
Yeah,
Sorry. Uh,
sure.
but like tell me one thing. Okay, let's say for example कि वो जो पहली वाली थी बेका, ठीक है,
हाँ,
उसने अगर हाँ
Beck,
बोल
हाँ.
देना था ग्लास हाउस में रहने के लिए. Okay, so wouldn't they run out of conversation after 3 days? Like if I'm spending, like just very practically, if I'm spending all my time with you, like how much do you really talk to your parents anymore? Because there's nothing to say. You have to fight. You have to fight about something and then talk it out so that
But
you have something to talk about. Like
so that's what Joe was saying, right? Like, let's figure a solution out. That's another thing. See, this is a very tricky question because over here, Beck knew that he
because it's
had killed his
logical.
ex. Yeah,
Unnati, this grave you
all
have dug. जहाँ पे तू
let's
जिंदा
just
गाड़ी
give
गई है.
let's just give benefit of doubt to Joe over here as well because
Yeah.
Beck knew कि उसने उसकी best friend और उसके ex को मारा है. But I'm saying अगर उसको नहीं पता होता तो
Then they would have.
yeah, it's like 365 days यार. उस बंदी को पसंद आ ही गया ना मसीमो. By the way, I love 365 days also. मतलब काफी अच्छी मूवी है.
I feel like I can just do this stream only with you. Like I just don't need to ask any other comedian because
Please
anybody
kidnap
else.
me if you have enough money and a good house in Italy or somewhere.
Yeah,
Please,
yeah,
ऐसे
yeah.
लुक्के लफंगे लोग मत आना. My God, imagine if I actually get a kidnap after this and the police is like, क्या बोल रही थी YouTube stream पे? Like,
Then
damn embarrassing.
they can use this as evidence. They are just gonna be like Unnati invited us. You will be the first one जो बोलते हैं ना बच्चों को कि लॉलीपॉप मत लो. You will be the one जो किडनैपर को लॉलीपॉप देता है. And then you are going away with the ये.
Hey, if you're a Massimo, okay, fine, like whatever. But all I'm trying to say is like eventually, I'm saying then it would have been like she does not know what all harm he's done. So eventually you'll fall for them. Now, what is arranged? What have our parents done? They never knew shit about each other. Okay, eventually they started living together and then they liked each other.
I
Their
love how
kids
you
हो गए and all
compare
of
this
it.
to like our parents' arranged marriage. The most romantic thing in the world, the most romantic man in the world, and then finally, same like arranged marriage. So what is this?
Hey, I now quoted that Joe is like a romantic guy. I mean, he is, but
This is what you've been
like
saying for the last 1 hour, Unnati. Like, I
I'm
don't
saying
know.
60% he's romantic, 40% he's a serial killer. If you're good to him, you will see the romantic side. If you're 40% over smart, he's gonna kill you. So
So dumb girls have a chance to live in the glass house.
correct, and that's what even like the whole show is about. Like if you're gonna be dumb, you're gonna be like played in life. So you have to be loved. You know, you need to know who's playing around with you in life, guys. Stalk your stalker and be smart in life. So you gotta do that. And
And the
yeah,
last thing was the gift. You said honeymoon, they're
a
going to be in the glass house.
a gift though would be. I think he will
Like
go
first
over the
night gift
top.
types, first night gift.
Uh, he will basically do end up doing something which you casually say. You know, like I'll be like, "अरे मेरे लिए अरे मुझे ये चाहिए था whatever like something
लोनावला
you
की
casually
चिक्की
say
मुझे
which you
बहुत
know is
पसंद है and he will come from US and buy you लोनावला का चिक्की like that.
yeah something like that he'll go like he'll do something where you it's like me saying that oh I want a purple house and then suddenly the next thing you know is like you're entering like into a purple like he'll go over the top which is one good thing about him
I
which is
see
like
the
if he loves
purple
you
curtains now. Yes.
it's actually it's not really purple. Like if you see my room, it's got everything purple, just like my hall where I stay in. So it's not purple name, but some
I
other
have a
time, some
feeling
other
कि तेरे
strange
मंडप पे
guys.
भी जो आ जाएगा तो you'll be like पति को एक सेकंड रुको.
So recently, like this guy I was talking to, I was so impressed because like, he legit stalked me and then he said, "Oh, your favorite color is purple." I was like, "यही तो जो चाहिए लाइफ में, यही तो जो चाहिए जो
जो
स्वाद
चाहिए.
अनुसार स्टॉक करे, पता हो कॉन्वर्सेशन आगे कैसे लेके जाए." So
A
this is what I'm saying, guys.
conversationalist. Unnati,
Yes,
for anyone who's listening or who will eventually listen to this, remember Unnati Marfatia is looking for a conversationalist. And
yes.
I
Who
think
does not ask me और बता क्या चल रहा है? What else? No. Bitch, you come up with a topic of your own and we'll talk.
nice. ये हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन जो है ना ये कम उम्र में ही अच्छा लगता है. मेरी उम्र में माय मदर विल बी लाइक लड़का मर्डर करता है. कितने किए 10 ही किए ना 12 तो नहीं किए बेटा अच्छा है चली जाओ.
Oh God, that'll be good. And आंटी बोलेंगी भी कि एक काम करो जो रश्मि आंटी का जो बेटा ना वो बहुत इरिटेट करता है एक काम करो आप उसको भी उड़ा
उसका
के
भी
लेके
उड़ा दो.
आओ so
Just
it's
take it
basically
and
if
go.
you would have been in Ghaziabad or somewhere like
Yeah,
Ghaziabad or
yeah.
UP yeah
मिर्जापुर.
yeah correct
Pankaj
correct
Sharma OP.
एकदम
Pankaj Tripathi OP. Huge blunder. Anyway, uh, on that note, everybody, please come and watch Emily in Paris. We are doing that on Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock. It's going to be a lot of
yes
fun. And thank you so much for watching this. A few people joined us on the stream. We got two comments. That's a good beginning. This was
okay
our first
that's
YouTube
great.
stream. And thank you so much, Unnati, for doing this for us.
Thank you so much. I just want to say one more time that I don't appreciate people killing each other or whatever. I'm not pro for that, and I'm just into stalking. But swad anusar, that's all I would like to say. And please watch the series. It will change your life for good or for bad, whatever it is. And Joe is hot, and yeah, Jai Mata Di, Joe rocks. So that's all I want to say.
Woohoo!
If that makes sense. Yeah, that's those are my ending words.
Cool, awesome. Just give me 1 minute and because I want to end